All right, welcome back to day 11 of the Encourage Recovery Manitoba Tour. We are in Ashland this morning, and today we see and depart from our good friend Larry, who has ridden 2,400 kilometers together with me. He's been my caboose and kept me in check for miles that we've done together, but today he heads home.
See ya. Yeah, it's been great riding with Shane over the last 8 days for me. My biggest worry every day is trying to keep up with the guys, so I wish you guys the best of luck finding some snow over the next few days, and want everybody to share all these updates, and let's do it.
Right on. So we are going to head north today, up and around north of Ashland towards the St. Martin area, and see if we can find some snow up there. It got real warm yesterday, as everyone knows, and today it's quite cold again, so everything's going to be pretty frozen, which makes it really tough for us to get lubrication in the skids. So we're going to chase snow all day, and hopefully we can keep these things moving today. Stay tuned. We'll tell you more about how the day goes later. And you can't mount them in front of those two idler wheels. So part of the problem that we're having right now is because it got so warm yesterday and got cold again, all the trails are now very icy and very hard surface on them. So when there's not enough lube, if we don't get enough snow, there's too much friction, melt the sliders right off. Big problems for us. We're installing a couple sets of scratchers today so that we can continue to ride in these fantastic conditions. Bunch of pros, eh?
Watching YouTube videos, eh?
See, his is right at the back. All right, so it is recap here for day 11. We rode North Ashland today in some very terrible snow conditions. We bought some scratchers today so that we could have a bit of a better advantage riding tomorrow. Hopefully the scratchers are going to do what they're supposed to do for us. We'll be able to get some normal mileage in. We only got about 200 and change in today just because of the conditions that we had to work with. So kind of disappointed in that, but Mother Nature, you know, she's trying to make this hard on us. But we're going to still keep going. We're heading towards Lac du Bonnet tomorrow, and we'll tell you more in the morning.